another midnight miracle.
It's 2 a.m., my mind's on fire. Half past sane, full of desire. Dark's unsaved, but mood's divine. I just hit flow, forget the time. Sticky notes like neon lights, I spin in deadline disco nights. Clock ticks loud like kicks and snares. My chair, my stage, the vibe, who cares? Eyes are dry, brains a blur, but I feel like an entrepreneur. One more sip, one more line, let this chaos redefine.
Welcome to the deadline disco, where we groove with stress in limbo.
Keyboards hot, ideas glow. In the madness, watch me go. Papers blank, but I still know I'm alive in deadline disco.
Spin the charts, play that beat. Have the draft stuck in repeat, but I dance between the lines. Fever thoughts and clashing signs. Someone left an old playlist, disco ball of thoughts I miss. My brain's a blur of what and how, but I feel like magic now.
Can't explain, don't ask why. Deadline highs before I cry. Midnight meal, looping track. I'm a genius, might be whack.
Welcome to the deadline disco. Coffee, jazz, electric flow. Spin the files, lose control. Feel the pulse of working soul. Chaos hums in stereo. Life begins in deadline disco.
Final version. Exceed 3:59 a.m. I made it. Kinda.
Deadline disco. Deadline disco, final round. Half alive but glory bound. Deadline disco, crash and glow. You can't stop the final show. Disco. 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 Deadline never lies.